Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are replacing the cabin air filter on the 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, helping you breathe easier in your vehicle on your daily commute. Let's jump in it and save you some money. Welcome back everyone to another great episode right here on the channel. We will be replacing the cabin air filter and the 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan today. This repair works for all 2007 to 2015 Volkswagen Tiguans, and as you can see in the passenger side floorboard, you have two support screws there and there. If you go ahead and loosen those, the cover will come off, which is just a little rubber matting to camouflage all of your blower motor and ducting under the dash. As soon as you take these two support screws out, the matting will come out. This repair is quoted at $80 if you get it done at an auto repair shop, but with this video, you'll be done and complete within 5 minutes. So make sure you smash the like button, comment down below, and let us know that we were able to save you money today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well for even more DIY auto repair. Oh, that's gross. Don't let my wife see this. Darn it. Try to get it on your rug there. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Gross. Let's see. We got any more up there? Nope. Looks clear. All right. If you have been smelling dirt or mildew coming out of your vents, it's probably because your cabin air filter needs to be replaced. On the left, that's the brand new filter, and on the right, that is what you have been breathing in this entire time. Get your filter replaced today. All right, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall. Arrows are gonna be just like this, okay? Upside down. We're gonna go in here just like this. Go, slide it up. Now you see it's in position. Now we can go ahead and put the locking plate in position as well. Right? Actually see right there in between the plate, you have your gasket from your cabin air filter. On the plate, you are going to have it slid to the right. You put the hooks in place, make sure they're all placed right in the cabin air filter, and then you slide it towards the driver's side, locking it into position. And there you go. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our under dash and put our plugs back into place. Once you put that under dash mat back in place, make sure you push around the ducts to make sure it's not blocking any of your ducts, or they're not going to work too well. Okay? All right, let's go ahead, finish putting these in place, and then we will be good to go. Stay tuned. We're going to go over the reasons why you want to make sure that your cabin air filter is in great order. And especially if you have any allergies or immune deficiencies. I mean, the cabin air filters are getting better and better by the day. The one that we put in is a STP charcoal. Febreze even has a cabin air filter, and they also have other bacteria and, you know, biogen. Really nice cabin air filters. So if you haven't replaced your cabin air filter, make sure you do, because all those leaves and dirt, debris, pollen, everything. Look at that. Well, open that up. Look what's in there. Hair, dirt. It's all blocked. How's it supposed to do its job? Make sure you replace your cabin air filter. I threw the link to this filter in the video description down below, so make sure you smash that and get yours installed. Make sure, if you do have any questions about your repair, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to assist.